Welcome to another video by Team Matcom. In this particular video, we will be discussing a question that is related to the chapter gravitational force from class 11 physics topic. So the question is, what is the height at which the value of g is the same as that of as at depth r by 2? That means we know that there will be value for the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth. It varies with respect to depth, also it varies with respect to height. So if so, for example, assume that this blue color is corresponding to the earth. So let r be the radius of the earth. So this is the radius of the earth. This is the radius of the earth. So if you're calculating the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth. So if you take acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth. So acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth, that can be given by g. Acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth can be given by g. So it is going to be depth. So let brown color indicate the interior of the earth. Mean the brown color indicating the interior of the earth. Mean we can say that. So let it be at the depth of d. If it is at the depth of d, means acceleration due to gravity at the depth of d from the surface of the earth. So at depth d from the surface of the earth, earth, that can be calculated as gd. gd is equal to g into 1 minus d by r. D is the depth, r is the radius of the earth. Now we are considering the third point, that is at height of h from the surface of the earth. So if you are trying to calculate acceleration due to gravity at height h from the surface of the earth, that is given by gh is equal to g into r upon r plus h the whole square, where h is the height from the surface of the earth. By using all the three equations, we will try to calculate the what is the height at which the value of g is same as that of the as at depth r by 2. So whatever it may be the value of the g, you are getting at a depth r by 2. So we need to find out the height at which its acceleration due to gravity becomes equal to that. So first we can calculate acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity at a depth r by 2. That means d value is equal to r by 2. We know that gd is equal to g into 1 minus d by r. So you can substitute d as r by 2. So you will get g into 1 minus r by 2 divided by r. R and r will get cancelled. So you will get g into 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So it will become g by 2. So at a depth of r by 2, the acceleration due to gravity become half of that of the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth. We know that acceleration due to gravity at a height of h from the surface of the earth, that is given by gh is equal to g into r upon r plus h the whole square. This value has to be become equal to this particular acceleration due to gravity g by 2. So we can equate it. It will become g into g upon r plus h the whole square, which is equal to g by 2. I'll write once again, g into r upon r plus h the whole square equal to g by 2. G and g will get cancelled. If you take square to the other side, it will become square root. That means r upon r plus h, that is equal to 1 upon root 2. equal to 1 upon root 2. If you take the reciprocal, you will get r plus h upon r, that is equal to root 2. If you divide the denominator with the r, so what you will get? You will get 1 r by r is 1, 1 plus 1 plus h by r. 1 plus h by r is equal to root 2. That is h by r is equal to root 2 minus 1. So we got h by r, height h by r is equal to root 2 minus 1. Therefore, therefore, h is equal to r into root 2 minus 1. That means when the height from the surface of the earth become r into root 2 minus 1, the acceleration due to gravity value will become equal to g by 2. So this is the height what we need to calculate. Hope the video is useful. If you need any clarification, do let us know in the comment section. If the video is useful, please like to this particular video, hype to the video, comment that particular thing on the video. If you have any other doubts, please do let us know in the comment section. As a token of gratitude, subscribe to our channel. Keep watching, keep learning. Thanks for watching. Bye.